Since its inception, social media has been both a blessing and a curse to those involved in marketing and public relations. On one hand, it offers a way to disseminate a message that is cheap, easy, and very effective. On the other, it is notoriously difficult to effectively monitor the dialogue and nearly impossible to quantify or monetize that dialogue. Fortunately, new tools are becoming available that not only make it easier to monitor the dialogue, but also begin to measure and quantify the results. This presentation will discuss these emerging tools, as well as detail the best practices for choosing which kind of social media to best target your intended audience, and use real-life case studies to illustrate their effectiveness. Social Media 2.0. The past few years have seen a tremendous explosion in what is known as social media, or user-generated content. With the advent of blogs, microblogs such as Twitter, social networks like Facebook and MySpace, viral video channels like YouTube, bookmarking sites like Digg.com and Delicious.com, image and photo networks like Flickr, and podcasts available on iTunes. Each of these presents its own inherent advantages and drawbacks, and each presents unique opportunities to reach the business-to-business client or the business-to-consumer client. Let's take a look at blogs. Business-to-business enterprises find the greatest return on investment here. Audiences are usually already knowledgeable about the topic of the blog and have a vested interest in keeping up to date with that topic. Consumer audiences tend not to follow blogs as closely. Examples include blogspot.com and wordpress.com. Next are microblogs. The only social media type that appeals to both business-to-business and business-to-consumer audiences are microblogs. Examples are sites such as twitter.com that allows those in the industry to get the most up-to-date information on the topic and gives consumers a chance to communicate directly with the business, whether it be for customer service or grassroots updates. Another important feature of microblogs that cannot be overlooked is their viral nature. Recipients of microblogs can quickly and easily pass them on to everyone in their network, who can pass it on to their network, and so on. The dissemination of traditional blogs is more complicated, involving emailing or posting links to friends and associates, who may or may not be willing to follow that link. The advantages of this ease of distribution cannot be overstated. Social networking sites. Social networks allow businesses to establish a unique presence in the world, one that offers a more direct, human face to a company. It also allows current users to become friends or fans of the business and recommend them to others, creating a grassroots-style promotional campaign. Many social networking sites have multimedia capability built in, meaning that pictures, videos, and audio can be shared with friends. One of the things that makes social networks so effective is the way they can organically shift from advertorial to editorial content, making social networks ideal for the business-to-consumer relationship. An example of this is when the Luthier Society paired actor Michael Welch of Twilight with creative agency Indelible to promote their online campaign for the acne product Axone. Viral video channels. Viral video channels like YouTube and Metacafe.com offer brands the ability to give a full visual experience of their product or service to the user, making viral video channel platforms ideal for the business-to-consumer relationship. In addition, the ease at which users can share these videos with friends and colleagues allows for quick, widespread dissemination of the message. Social bookmarking sites. One of the ways search engines like Google rank their search results is by monitoring how many sites offer links to that webpage and what their click-through rate is. Getting a link on a bookmarking site like Digg.com or Delicious.com can greatly improve search engine rankings. One of the most effective ways of doing this is by using an e-team of consumers who already use the product to post a link and have other e-team members click through the link. It is also important to note that businesses can gain additional exposure by appearing in syndicated RSS feeds from these sites. Image networks. Image and photo network sites like Flickr.com and Photobucket.com can promote viral campaigns as users share their static images with family and friends. It is important to note, however, that static images are not shared nearly as often as video clips. Our last category is podcasts. In many ways, podcasts are simply a type of audio blog. The intended audience is usually already committed to the topic and simply wants to keep up to date on the latest trends and developments. As such, the most common podcast listener is the business person who already works in a particular field or uses a particular product, making podcasts another ideal component for social media marketing for business-to-business relationship building. There are many podcast services on the internet, of which iTunes is undoubtedly the most popular.